Today, I'm going to show you a spicy tofu soup, vegan and healthy, with a homemade vegan red curry paste. I had the idea to cook this spicy soup after watching a Korean series.
Let's start with the red curry paste. To make it, we need red dry chilies. And to cut it open and remove its seeds, I like to use scissors. It's very easy. After that, we will let them soak in warm water, which will help to smash it more easily later on. But for now, let's set it aside. Time to start pounding the finely chopped galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lam zest. By the way, this mortar is a krok. It's handcrafted by a Thai artisan. And let me tell you, it's a great mortar. I love it.
I have a partnership with Krok, so if you would like to get one for yourself, you can use my link and get a 10% discount.
Once we have a nice paste like this, let's continue with the garlic, chopped shallot, and coriander roots. If you can't find the coriander roots, you can use the stem or even skip it. Pound until it's nice and fine. Then, we are going to add the dry chilies that we soaked earlier. Drain it quick and bring into the mortar to smash. If you didn't soak the chilies in the water before, this step will take you 20 minutes instead of just 5 because dry chilies has a very tough texture. Now add some salt for the flavor. It also helps to absorb some liquid from the curry paste, which makes the pounding a little bit easier. More aromatic with some ground white pepper and just grind all well together. Now the yummy substitute to make this red curry vegan. Instead of using shrimp paste, we will use tau jiao or soybean paste. If you wonder how it tastes like a Japanese miso. Grind and smash to break the chunks of soybean until it becomes nice and fine. And we are going to have a yummy red curry paste like this.
If you enjoyed this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes. And let me know in the comments, what do you like to see more? 100% authentic recipes? Or do you like to watch or cook a fusion recipe like this one?
The veggies I'm going to use today, shimeji, enoki, king trumpet, and Chinese cabbage. If you like to add more veggies than this, be my guest. There's no limit. I will start with the king trumpet. I will cut it into quarters and slice to cut. Then transfer it to a plate and set it aside. For the other two mushrooms, I will cook them just like that. But for the Chinese cabbage, I'm going to cut it into medium chunks. After that, set it aside.
As I was saying earlier, this soup was inspired by a Korean soup called sundubu jjigae. It's a very famous spicy tofu soup that looks so yummy. I decided to give it a go and make it with Thai ingredients. So let's see how it's going to look like.
We will heat the vegetable oil in a pan with over medium-high heat. Now add the red curry paste and reduce the heat to just medium. Then stir and let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes to let the paste release its aroma. After that, add the king trumpet mushroom, stir to mix, and let it cook for a few minutes. Then add the shimeji mushroom, stir to mix with the curry paste. Now it's time to add the Chinese cabbage. Toss it for a few minutes as well until the cabbage is wilted. Add water or even better, veggie stock if you have, and mix it all well. I will season the soup with some sugar, a bit of MSG, and some mushroom soy sauce. After mixing, increase the gas to high heat. Wait until the soup starts bubbling, then add silken tofu. Break the tofu into the size that fits you. For me, I like when it's bite-sized, but anyway, it's very easy to break or cut, so it doesn't matter that much. After that, add the enoki mushroom. As you know, I like when it's spicy for real, so I'm going to add some chili flakes and gently mix that with the soup. Let it cook until it's boiling like that. Then sprinkle some chopped green onion all over it and serve it right away once it's still hot.
If you like spicy tofu recipes, go check this Mapo tofu. Trust me, it's really hot as well. By the way, I have a request from Mr. Hanu, everyone's daughter, to try my food. So here we go. Oh, it's hot and spicy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next Saturday. Bye bye.